If you are planning a trip to Shanghai, you might be wondering, do I need a visa to enter China? Well, before you start filling out any forms, let me show you an easier way. There are 38 countries whose citizens can enter China visa-free and stay for up to 30 days. If a country is on that list, congrats, you're good to go. But if not, you'd normally need to apply for a tourist visa, passport valid for 6 months, passport photos, application form, and of course, the processing fees and wait time. Usually 3 to 5 business days. Yeah, kind of hassle, right? Here is the good news. There is a much easier way to visit China, even if your country isn't on that visa-free list. It's called the visa-free transit. It allows travelers from 54 countries to enter China without a visa for up to 240 hours. That's 10 full days. All you need is a confirmed onward ticket to a third country or region. And here is the key. You can't fly in and out of the same country. Let me give you an example. Say you are flying from the UK to Shanghai. If you plan to go back to the UK after your trip, even with a stopover somewhere else, that won't count as a valid transit. But if you book your ticket from the UK to Shanghai and then from Shanghai to Hong Kong or Macau, that counts as a valid third region. From there, you can fly back to the UK with a separate ticket. Boom! 10 days in China, visa-free. There is a big deal, especially now. After the pandemic, the number of foreigners in Shanghai dropped sharply. There were a lot of reasons: politics, lockdowns, economic uncertainty. Foreign companies left and the housing market for expats got quiet. So China introduced new policies to bring people back. Not just tourists, but also potential investors and business travelers. The 144-hour visa-free stay was extended to 240 hours in 2025, a clear sign that China wants to reconnect with the world. As someone who holds long-term visas for the US, Canada, Japan, and Ireland, I know how tiring visa applications can be. All the paperwork, bank statements, proof of income, job background. It's not easy. That's why I think this transit policy is a fantastic opportunity, not just for tourists, but for anyone curious about what modern China has to offer. With global politics getting more tense and the travel rules always changing, this might not last forever. So if Shanghai's been on your bucket list, now is the time. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. And if you are thinking of coming to Shanghai, drop a comment. I'd love to help you plan a high-value trip that makes the most of your visa-free stay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.